Whoa, 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 what is this? Am I actually making the video? I believe that? That's unreal. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've made a video, and not a lot went on last year. Had some family tragedies going on that lasted a few months. You know how that works. I switched jobs. That took a while as well. Just now settling into my new role. I'm enjoying it so far. It's fun, exciting. It's a new venture for me, so there's a big learning curve, but I'm doing well. I'm enjoying it, and hopefully this will be my last employer prior to retiring. Hopefully, I'd love to be able to retire in 6 years or so, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. Anyway, so I am on the bike today, or I say we are on the bike today. Half Calf is sitting back there, and we are headed out to Tappahannock, Virginia to meet up with the Brass Monkey motorcycle riding guys for lunch at Java Jack's in Tappahannock. Was it last year, the year before last? We tried to go there as well, but we didn't do enough prior planning, and they were closed, so we had to eat at an alternate location. But it's nice. The temperature, according to the bike, is 44 degrees. I think that's a little giving. I think it's closer to 40 degrees, but it doesn't matter. So it's a brisk day. It was 34, I think, when I got up this morning. But yeah, so far so good. And not sure what else is going on. Looking forward to some backpacking coming up this year. Last year was a bust because of you know, the issues that I mentioned beforehand. But hopefully this year's better. And I'm sure with everything else, the last 3 years have been a shit show for everybody, I'm sure. But last year for me was pretty harsh. So, you know, and I did try to make some videos, but when your heart's not in it, you just can't do it. Why push it? You know, I'm not obsessed with YouTube, and it's not how I make my living. So I just do it when I want and why I want, etc. It's like most of the people I follow, you know. But it's you know, in the middle of winter here in Virginia. We haven't had any snow yet, but I'm sure that's to come. Just trying to enjoy life as best I can. I ran a 10K on Veterans Day last year, which was good for me. My joke is that, I mean, it's true, but that I was first in my age category, so that was a huge bonus. They even sent me a medal in the mail and everything. Then I tell everybody that I was first in my age group on that 10K, and then I explained that I was the only one in my age group, so that's kind of funny. It makes me crack up a little bit. But yeah, life goes on, and hopefully I'll be able to make some more videos. I'll tell you what though, if you're one of those people who has a YouTube channel and you just haven't made any videos in a while, I mean like months, you know, I mean you can go back and see when the last time I uploaded a video. It's shamefully a long time ago. But when you decide to do it again after that long of a break, you suck, man. It's not exactly second nature. Like if you're consistently doing it, you're very good at it, and you have it down to a science. But wait a while and try to make one. It just doesn't work very well. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on too much about anything. I will keep on my route here, and I think maybe I'll turn the camera on when I get to Tappahannock. Mind you, cold weather doesn't like these GoPro batteries very well, so I've tried to make a video a couple weeks ago, and it was my fault. I left the helmet sitting on the bike outside the restaurant. When I came back, the camera just wouldn't come on. So, and you know, you don't turn the camera on until you're on the bike going down the highway, so it's not like I tested it beforehand. But anyway, I hope everybody, I'll go ahead and end the video here, and if something comes back, I'll just splice it in the middle. But I hope everybody is having a good year so far, that we're 21 days into the 2023, which is a ridiculous number. But everybody be safe. I hope everybody's well. I hope everybody's family's well. And reach out to your family members if you haven't talked to them in a while. Y'all be safe. Talk to you soon.
What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.